Hi guys, so in this document I'm going to show you a series of exercises designed to become familiar with the use of variables, expressions, and statements in the context of programming. The primary goal of these exercises is to provide practice in data manipulation and development in simple programs in Python. So the first exercise is, well, it consists of writing a program that asks the user for their name using the input function and then welcomes them. The program should display a personalized message that includes the name provided by the user. So I'm going to run this. What is your name? I'm going to write down Eric. So as you can see in the program, it says welcome Eric. So that's the first exercise. The program asks the user to enter their name using the input method, which stores the user's input in the name variable. Then the program prints a welcome message using the print function, where the user name is concatenated. Well, I'm going to close this, terminate. Okay, so the second exercise, uh, the user is asked to enter the number of hours worked and the hourly rate. The program calculates the salary by multiplying the number of hours by the rate and displays the result. So, as you can tell, uh, it's like the last exercise, but now we write down hours. So that's the input, and it says hours work. So the user is going to have to write down the hours work in this place, and then it says rate. As the last one, it's an input, and it's going to ask the user to write down the rate, and then it's going to print down your salary is what the user write down about hours, and then multiply it with the rate. So I'm just going to run this. Again, what's my name? Eric. Welcome back, Eric. Okay, so hours work. I'm going to write down 12. And as you can see, this is a float, so I can put decimals on this. So what about 1.5? So as you can tell, your salary is 18. So the program uses the input function twice to ask the user to enter the hours worked and the hourly rate. Then it calculates the salary by multiplying the hours by the rate, converting the input to appropriate numeric types, integer for hours and float for rate, and finally prints the result, as you can see. Now I'm going to terminate, and let's see the exercise number 3. Well, in this exercise, it involves performing different mathematical operations and determining the result and data type of each expression. So you have to say, okay, so the first one, I think it's a float, but maybe it's an int. So I have to run the program and see if it's a float or an int. As you can see, I have already done that, and the first one is a float, the second one is a float, and the last two are ints. So I'm going to run the program so you can see for yourself. So my name is Eric, 12, 1.5, so the last one. Okay, so your salary, the first one, as you can see, is a float. The second one is a float. The third one is an int. And the fourth one is an int. So, in summary, in this exercise, the user is asked to enter a the exercise involves performing different mathematical operations. Okay, so the program defines two variables, width and height with numeric values. Then it performs various mathematical operations using these variable and numeric constants. Each expression is printed along with its result and the corresponding data type. So I'm going to terminate this and let's continue. The last exercise is the number 4 and it's about temperature conversion. So in this exercise, the user is asked to enter a temperature in Celsius and the program converts the temperature to Fahrenheit using the appropriate conversion formula. And then the program asks the user to enter the temperature in Celsius using the input function as the first exercise I have already showed you in this video. And then it performs the conversion from Celsius to Fahrenheit using the formula 9 divided by 5 multiply int Celsius. So yeah, you have to convert the Celsius to an int, and then it adds 32 and stores the result in the Fahrenheit variable. Finally, it prints the result of the conversion. So I'm going to run the program. I'm sorry. I'm going to run the program. I'm going to write down the first exercise here. Okay, so what's the temperature in Celsius? I'm going to write down 27. So the temperature in Fahrenheit is 80. It shows that the program is working properly and is it's converting the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit using this operation right here. So that's everything for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and this is everything. Bye bye.